Hey guys, one of the things that I've really kind of enjoyed about cutting my hair off is I get to use clay pomade, and I've never got to use it. I actually used it on like the flyaways on my hair when it was long, but I never really got to use it to style it, and I was a little interested to see how it was gonna work. So put about that much in there. I thought it was gonna be a lot more intense or a lot more harder to put together, but actually water soluble. So I just mix it in my hands like this and then put it in there. And I've had to like relearn how to style my hair. So you should just barely run a brush through it. That's kind of it. And this thing lasts all day. Let's see, there we go. Bingo. And if it gets like wet or falls down or whatever, I just put a little water into it and then reapply, and boom, done. So Johnny Slicks Clay Pomade, check it out, and you can use code Raider and save yourself some money. All right, bye.